So continuing on from the previous video, let's now look at basic merging when using branches. So let's start by creating a new branch. So we know now we can do that by coming down here and clicking on the little the current branch down here and clicking on new branch or selecting new branch. And let's call this one test merge branch because that's what it's going to be used for. Alright, so now we've created that. As you may recall from the previous video, we know that when a branch is created, it automatically, Android Studio automatically selects it and uses that branch, equivalent of doing a checkout. So we're actually using that branch now. So let's go ahead now and make a change to a few files just to see that it's working. And again, note down here the helpful message confirming what operation occurred. So let's go to main activity. And I know we've been doing this a few times, but we'll do it one more time. We'll add another test method down here. Not very original, I know, but it is a separate method. So we've added something to this file, and obviously it's appearing in blue now to confirm that. But let's do something in test class as well. I come down here and I'm going to type PSVM and press tab, which is a shortcut in Android Studio to create a method. Even though it's not a method we would normally run in this package, in an Android Studio package, it will suffice for the test now. So if we want to change one file at a time, commit files at a time, we can actually do that by right-clicking, Git, commit file, and that's selected only the individual file for the commit. Or of course we can select multiple files, whatever file we want to do, and have them all included. I'm going to turn off the perform code analysis just to show you what that looks like. If you recall, we've in the previous videos in this section, we had that left on to see what would happen. And we'll put important change to both files. Again, not a really good commit message. A commit message would normally be something outlining what the change was for, what change you made, and perhaps the reasons why. Like for example, the tax scales have changed, or the percentage of GST or something like that. In my case, I'm just doing something just so that we can show you the example of it working. All right, I'm going to leave everything else as the default and click on commit. Noting that I didn't do a commit and push, I just did a commit. So it's only been committed to the local branch at the moment. All right, so let's switch over to the master branch. Selecting that one, check out, confirming that the test class hasn't got those methods in them, or that method that we added, and main activity hasn't got that extra method down here, which we would expect because it's on a different branch. So how do we actually get the changes that we want from the other branch into this branch? Well, this is where the merge command comes in. So we're going to click down here again. Then we click on test merge branch, being the name of the branch we want to merge the code from. Then we come down here and click on merge. And you can see down the bottom we've got merge test merge branch to master. And we can see up here we've got the method that I created. And we go back over to the test class. We've also got the other method in there as well. And you probably saw that. It's actually disappeared now, but there was a useful link there. Not only did we get the green notification, the pop-up notification to confirm the merge was successful, but there was a useful link to delete the merge branch. So you can come over here and it should be in the event log. And that was what the one that we got. We can click on delete test merge branch. So we could do that. And we can see now that we've deleted the test merge branch. And if we have a look now, it's no longer appearing in the local branches. So that's it. That's how to get the changes from one branch to another. So again, this would be useful in a scenario where perhaps as a developer, you've sent the code off to another developer, you created a new branch, maybe for a new version of your application, and another developer has contributed to that change, and you're then happy with the change and you wanted to merge it back in perhaps to the main version of the application, or producing a new version, or whichever way you want it to go. This would be a way for you to actually merge those changes back from that other branch. Alright, so let's finish this video here, and I'll see you, as always, in the next video.